Welcome back to ACM Shorts. Today's topic is natural and manufactured aggregates. We know aggregates make up the largest percentage by volume in concrete products, but do you know what types of aggregates are being used in your products? There are two main types of aggregates: natural and manufactured. Natural aggregates, like these, are generally extracted from areas commonly referred to as gravel pits. These materials are typically just excavated from the ground and processed through a screening plant to classify different sizes. Natural aggregates tend to be round and smooth, which can have its advantages, but also some drawbacks that we'll cover later. Secondly, manufactured aggregates, as we see here, are generally extracted from areas known as quarries. These aggregates are the result of solid rock formations that have to be blasted with explosives to break up the formation, then trucked to a mechanical crushing plant where they can be reduced and classified in size. Manufactured or crushed aggregates are typically very angular, which, much like their natural counterpart, have some pros and cons. Now, let's cover the benefits of using natural aggregates, or commonly referred to as gravel. Given their shape and texture being round and smooth, natural aggregates can help concrete products flow better, whether it be in and out of hoppers and equipment, or more importantly, into the mold cavities to maximize the amount of feed and fill. That smooth and round shape can also help create smoother textures on finished products. But remember when I said drawbacks? Due to those smooth, round surfaces, they can lack mechanical attachment, meaning cement can't attach to them as well as more angular aggregates, and that can lead to lower overall strengths. Also, with round aggregates, particles don't pack as well, which can also lead to lower strengths. Moving on to manufactured aggregates. Here we see a crushing operation. Due to this process, particles are very angular or jagged, which aids in particle packing and can help to increase strengths and decrease cement contents. That angularity also provides a rougher texture that helps with mechanical attachment of cement. Depending on the physical, aesthetic, and performance needs of your products, you could find yourself using any combination of these two types of aggregates. But always remember to perform proper physical testing of your intended aggregates before you begin producing products. That's it for this week. See you next time on ACM Shorts.